Question number 3. Question 3 is, a diploid organism is heterozygous for 4 loci. How many types of gametes can be produced? Okay, for this answer, we need to remember one formula, 2 raised to n. Okay, now n here is number of heterozygous. Okay, so we have got heterozygous at 4 loci. So we'll write 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 16. Okay, students, so your answer over here is 16. But what you have to remember? You have to remember 2 raised to n, and n is equal to number of heterozygous. Now, how you're supposed to write this answer? It will go something like a diploid organism. What, students? A diploid organism heterozygous at 4 loci will produce gametes 2 raised to 4. Okay, 2 raised to 4, that is 16 types. So there would be 16 types of gametes produced. Students, this is very important question on the point of view for exam. It has also been asked in many such competitive exams. So what you have to remember? You have to remember 2 is to 4. Okay, students? Easy? Okay.